Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning the chapter that is force, work and energy. So in this chapter we have learned different types of force. So today we have the force that is gravitational force, that is connected with the gravity. So first we have to know which type of force is this. Basically, it is a force which is applied by a bigger body on a smaller bodies. Means this force is applied by the bigger body on the smaller body. So same, we all know that things that earth attracts everything. Okay, how we can know that? Whenever we throw anything to the up direction, okay, anything, we will even if we will take example of ball, if we will throw this ball in the any direction or to the upside, so what happened? After some times this ball will be returned to the earth. So what happened in this means earth is attracting everything, or earth is attracting that ball towards itself. Means earth is attracting that ball towards itself. So that means whatever we will throw in any direction, it will be attracted by the earth, or because of the earth gravitational pull. And this gravitational pull is known as a gravitational force. Means the force which by which earth attract anything toward itself is called as gravitational force. Even uh, if we will earth attracts moon also by its gravitational force. Moon, because it revolves around the earth, does not fall on the earth. That is a good question. Means if everything is attracting by the earth, then why moon is not coming down to the earth? Because earth also attracts the moon, but what happened? Moon is revolving around the earth. We all know that moon is the natural satellite of the earth. So moon is revolving around the earth. So this is the reason why it is moon doesn't fall on the earth, because of its gravitational force. Okay, now if we will, well, earth is not swallowed by the sun by its gravitational force, because it is revolving around the sun and it is very far from the sun. That is also very big questions, why uh, earth is not swallowed by the sun. Because first thing, because earth, same logic with which we have learned about the moon, same with the earth. Earth is also revolving around the sun, and the distance between the moon, sorry, sun and earth is very far. So this is why sun is or we can say earth is not swallowed by the sun. Now if we will say why it is always difficult to climb up a hill, we all try to climb up a hill, but it is very easy to come down from the hill, but it is very difficult to climb the hill. Because whenever we are trying to climb the hill, whenever we are trying to uh, climb the hill, that means we are working against the earth gravity, or against the force of the gravity. So that's why we have to try more and more and more hard to climb a earth. Because whenever we are climbing on a hill, we are just working against the force of gravity, or earth's gravity. Okay, so we have to apply greater force to go away from the center of the earth, but while coming down, force of gravity draws us to center of the earth, it is easy to come down. So that is very clear. So why it is easy to come down from the hill more than climbing up to the hill? Because when we climb on a hill, we are working against the earth gravity. That's why we have to work hard more to climb on a hill. But when we are returning from the hill or come down from the hill, that means we are coming with the force of gravity. So this is the reason why it is always difficult to climb up to on a hill. Now next we have, that is magnetic force. Okay, magnetic force which is related to magnets. So means whenever we put any things which is made of iron near near any magnet, so what happened? This iron objects or iron rod will be attracted by the magnet. Why? just because of the magnetic force which is applied by the magnet on the iron. So that's why the iron made objects will be attracted by the magnet. Okay, and magnet, we all know it is a natural substance which will have which have the ability to attract the iron objects, and the force exerted by the magnet is known as magnetic force. Again, I am repeating, the force which exerted by a magnet is known as a magnetic force. Magnets in the refrigerator door, TVs, computers, toys, stereo system, and speakers, we all see that, and we can find the magnet in these appliances. All again, I will repeat what is magnetic force. The force which is exerted by the magnet, by which a magnet attracts the iron, this force is known as the magnetic force. Thank you. Now we will meet in the next slide class.